breastfeeding the children.
The Hinothrap Youth Council HYC of West Khasi Hills District, led by General Secretary Wante Boklingdo, met with the DC of West Khasi Hills District, Garrett Ellis and Dykes, to demand the strengthening of the Labour Department to regulate non-state workers and to enhance the infiltration check gates managed by the Police Department to monitor the movement of foreigners entering as tourists. Wante Boklingdo, while speaking to the media after the meeting, expressed the council's concern about reports in the media and on social media regarding the easy entry of foreigners, particularly from Bangladesh, into the state.
Hinothrap Youth Council West Khasi Hills District. But hakani ke jingwan ke jeni ibu sotli ki pon hakmat jeng DC. Kebeningkong kelong ba nak leng jeni kum kaseng ni sokhya hakabedi ben yo I lemba jeng ke social media ya ke jeng yo live jeng ki beri ki banabari kam tamari Bangladesh ya ke ban yo bandrung hapo jeng ke jela lemba ki babun ki benta jeng ke jela jeni. Ba umbi tang nakata badna ki wipat ki jela. Thì cái này cái chừng nhọ lát trong khi bự cái bana bar kawan ra cái chừng mau ru wat cái kadong cái thành cái chừng thì na cái yang chừng cũng cái sen ni cái part UDC ba hakabeti ba cái này ru di ban simkhya ba ban pek benya ban nam ailat ni cái bự cái bana bar makin yo rong hapo jo cái jala chừng.
The residents of Nongspung B village in Jirang